So let's talk about the first management function, which is planning. What is planning? Planning is the first managerial function. Planning is all about creating a plan to meet objectives. It is very important to look at both short-term and long-term success for the organization. Planning is an ongoing function that is constantly changing and occurring. Everyone in the organization must work together to align with the organizational objective in question. Furthermore, planning is essential in every organization because it gives a sense of direction on what to focus on and how to focus on. When planning, you can ensure that you are using the proper resources and how they should be used in order to get the plan to work. Preparing a plan can also help for reducing risk because you can detail the situation beforehand. How to plan. So these are the four aspects that you can look at when you plan. First, gain the knowledge of the issues. Second, look into the future. 3, determine the objectives. And 4, create flexible structures. So how I plan. I took the aspects right here and I just simply detail how I will plan. So for the first one, so I know that the issue is the fact that my hair salon is closed because of coronavirus. And because of that, we are having no revenue. Luckily though, I still have my boutique. And we can offer these and deliver the products at people's home. Obviously, we will have to take sanitary measures to make sure that nobody gets infected as well. Look into the future. So we know that coronavirus is changing many aspects in our society right now. In fact, people stop working, so they have less money to spend on products. That can be sometimes expensive. So I would sell my products at a discount. Therefore, my short-term goals would be to build a strong team that would be able to reach my long-term goal. That would be to sell my products on social media and delivering them to people's home afterwards. Determine the objectives. Our objective will be to sell via social media and deliver will take a lot of planning. I will have to build a solid team. I will have to purchase more products as well because many people will be ordering. Thirdly, I'll have to build a temporary system for our clients to call or order via our social media. Then I will have to make sure that my orders are delivered on time. Also, I'll have to make sure that we are being paid properly and that no payments are forgotten. And lastly, we'll have to take sanitary precautions. Last aspect, create flexible structures. So for sure, some of the aspects will not go as planned. Like I can't plan everything from A to Z. I know that some of the issues could be, for example, that my social media page would go down. So to fix this problem, we have to be always present on the phone. Also, I know that we could have problems with collecting money from our customers because they're not paying directly at our boutique. For this, I would have to make sure that no payments are forgotten. And I also know that maybe we would have a lot of orders to take into account and we wouldn't have time to do them all every day. These are types of problems that I could face. Next, a little interaction. So my question is, what is the issue right now around the world? Is it A, coronavirus is everywhere, B, there are wars, or C, H1N1 is everywhere? The correct answer is A. Now, on to the next section of the project, which is organizing.